Namaskar friends, welcome to Aspirant Assemble YouTube channel. So କାଲି ରାତିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଃଖଦ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଆସିଛି କି ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ରତନ ଟାଟା ସାର୍ଙ୍କର ନିଧନ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆଉ 86 ଇୟର୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏଜ୍ରେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ନିଧନ ହୋଇଛି ଆଉ ସେ ଜଣେ ବିଗ୍ ପର୍ସନାଲିଟି ଥିଲେ ମୋର ଜଣେ ଫିଲାନ୍ଥ୍ରୋପିଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ ଫିଲାନ୍ଥ୍ରୋପିଷ୍ଟ ମିନ୍ସ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଆର୍ମର 66%ର ଯେଉଁ ହିସ୍ସା ମିନ୍ସ 2/3 ହିସ୍ସା ସେ ଡୋନେଟ୍ କରିଦେଉଥିଲେ ଆଉ ସେ ଜଣେ ବିଜନେସ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ କମ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲିଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ ଆଉ ସେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ଟରର ନିଜର ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶମେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଆଉ ସେ କହୁଥିଲେ ଇଫ୍ ଦେୟାର ଆର୍ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ଥ୍ରୋନ୍ ଆକ୍ରସ୍ ଦେନ୍ ସମ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଇନୋଭେଟିଭ୍ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଆର୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ସୋ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ହିଁ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରେ ନ୍ୟୁ ଇନୋଭେସନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ତାଙ୍କର କହିବାର ମାନେ ସେୟା ଥିଲା ଆଉ ୱିଥାଉଟ୍ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ଦ ଟେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସି ଇଜ୍ ଗୋ ଅନ୍ ଦ ସେମ୍ ୱେ ଯଦି ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ନ ରହିବ ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ ତ ଆମେ ସେମ୍ ୱେରେ ହିଁ ଯାଉଥିବା କେବେ ବି ନ୍ୟୁ ଡିସ୍କଭରିଜ୍ ନ୍ୟୁ ଇନଭେନ୍ସନ୍ ହେଇପାରିବନି ଯେଉଁଟାକି ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଁ ବେନିଫିସିଆଲ୍ ହେଇପାରିବ ତାଙ୍କର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ତ ଆମ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ଆଉ ଯେତେ ବି କହିଲେ କମ୍ ହେବ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ଟରରେ ରହିଛି ବିଟ୍ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ୱିଥ୍ ରିଟେଲ୍ କମର୍ସ ଟ୍ରାଭେଲ୍ ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର metal aerospace lifestyle food beverage finance automobiles telecommunication media lifestyle ସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ ତାଙ୍କର ହାତ ରହିଛି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ରହିଛି ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆକୁ ଗୋଟେ ମିନ୍ସ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ଯେଉଁ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସେ ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସରେ ଯେଉଁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁସନ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଦ୍ମବିଭୂଷଣରେ ଆୱାର୍ଡ଼ କରାଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ମୁଁ ଏବେ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ୍ସ ବି ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲି କି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭାରତ ରତ୍ନ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କ୍ୟାବିନେଟ୍ରେ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ଚାଲିଛି ସୋ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହୋପଫୁଲି ପ୍ରୋବାବ୍ଲି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭାରତ ରତ୍ନ ଦିଆଯିବ ଆଉ ଭାରତ ରତ୍ନ ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଉଛି କୋହିନୂର ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଆଉ ବହୁତ ତାଙ୍କର ଏମିତି ବିଜନେସମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଥିଲେ ଯାହାଙ୍କର ବି ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲିଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ କେହି ବି ହେଟର୍ସ ନାହାନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ ସେ 1937ର ଡିସେମ୍ବର 8ରେ ଜନ୍ମଲାଭ କରିଥିଲେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟାଟା ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିଲେ 1962ରେ ଆଉ ସେ 1971ରେ ଟାଟା ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ୍ ହେଇଥିଲେ ସୋ ତାଙ୍କ ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନସିପ୍ରେ ଟାଟା ଯେଉଁ କମ୍ପାନୀ ରହିଛି ଟାଟା ମୋଟର୍ସ ଟାଟା ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଟାଟା କନସଲ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟି ସର୍ଭିସ୍ ଟାଟା ପାୱାର ଗ୍ଲୋବାଲ ବେଭରେଜ୍ ଟାଟା କେମିକାଲ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ଟରରେ ସେ ନିଜର ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶମେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ସୋ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ ସିଭିଲିଆନ୍ ପଦ୍ମଭୂଷଣ 2008ରେ ମିଳିଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ ନାଇଟ୍ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ କ୍ରସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସିଲେଣ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡ଼ର ଅଫ୍ ଦ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଏମ୍ପାୟାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ରକଫେଲର ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ହାର୍ଡ଼ କନଫର୍ମିଂ ଦ ଲାଇଫ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଆଚିଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଆୱାର୍ଡ଼ ବି ମିଳିଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ ସୋ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କୁହାଯାଉଛି କି ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ଲସ୍ ଟୁ ଆୱାର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ରତନ ଟାଟା ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଫର୍ ଏଭ୍ରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ସୋ ଆଜିର ଯେଉଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଯିବା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ୍ସ ରହିଛି ରାଇସ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ଏଡେନ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିଏଣ୍ଟସ୍ ସେକ୍ଟର ଟୁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ସପ୍ଲାଏ ଅନ୍ଟିଲ୍ 2028 ସୋ ये आर्टिकल्स इम्पोर्टान्स रही आमर न्यूट्रिशन उपरे माल न्यूट्रिशन होची तो केमती टैकल करा माल न्यूट्रिशन को तो सेटा फोर्टिफाइड राइस केमती हेल्प करि परिबो सो फोर्टिफाइड राइस गोटे टाइप रो राइस जो कि न्यूट्रिएंट्स रो कॉम्बिनेशन रही ओके प्रोसेस बाय विच राइस इज फोर्टिफाइड कोटिंग गोटे अच्छे डस्टिंग एंड एक्सट्रूजन सो एक्सट्रूजन रे फोर्टिफाइड राइस कर्नेल यूज करा जाउछि जो थरे कि तो राइस को फ्लोर रे कन्वर्ट करा राइस को क्रश करके ताको गुंड करा गुंड करके मिक्सड विथ माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स प्लस माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड वाटर देन इट हिट करा जाइए ताको पुणी कूल करके पैक करा कर्नेल्स रे कन्वर्ट करके ताको पैक करा सो 1 kg of fortified rice there is iron, folic acid, B12, zinc. These are all the micronutrients. So vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6. So in quantity of 1 kg of fortified rice, these are the combination. Okay. So what is extrusion? The rice can be fortified by extrusion process which involves combining the rice flour with micronutrients or the chawla gundre micronutrient apply kara then product is extruded in the form of rice kernel then process involves subjecting to heat kara 70 degree to 100 degree Celsius hence then product is pre-cooked. Okay, so why it is important? So you can see according to the NHS 5 survey, so there is anemia in the greatly found in women. So what is anemia? So anemia is a situation where hemoglobin ର ମାତ୍ରା ବ୍ଲଡ଼ରେ hemoglobin ର ମାତ୍ରା କମ୍ ହେଇଯାଏ ବ୍ଲଡ଼ରେ. ଓକେ, so anemia condition and there is another sickle cell anemia जोटा कि आमर जो ब्लड जो hemoglobin ର स्ट्रक्चर आमर राउंड थाए बट से ये केस रे सिकल शेप रही जाए माने दा शेप रही जाए. सो द मूवमेंट ऑफ ब्लड into our body decreases. Like if it is round then it will be freely moved in our body in the blood. Okay, so if the hemoglobin is in sickle shape then it will kind of not move. So that is called sickle cell anemia. So another thing is malnutrition. So malnutrition रे कौन होची हमें malnutrition रे हमारा बॉडी रे एसेंशियल जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स दरकार रहा कथा से सब अवेलेबल रोना. तो सही केस रे राइस को चूज करा कहीं तो राइस को चूज करा कारण दिस इज द स्टापल फूड इन इंडिया. सो समस्ते खाती. सो ये राइस को फोर्टिफाइड करा जाउची ताको क्रश करके गुंड करके ताको मिसा जाउची हमारा माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स. सो जोटा कि कंज्यूम सो करि परिबे. सो एटा को पड़ा हमर पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्कीम रे आउ पोषण अभियान एंड मिड डे मील अंडर ये सब कवर कर जहाँकि चिल्ड्रेन्स वुमेन और जो मैंने पुअर फैमिलीज ये सब कवर कर जिन. Fortified rice means rice added nutrients. So according to NFSA survey, National Food Security Act 2021. Okay. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs Rice Fortification Initiative को स्टार्ट करथिला और फासाई जो हमारा फूड सेफ्टी डिपार्टमेंट को डेलिबरेटली प्रमोट करथिला कि एसेंशियल माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट अच्छी तो पब्लिक हेल्थ एंड बेनिफिट बहुत हो पार. ये दुईटा जिनस आम टैकल कर गोटे है पब्लिक हेल्थ ଉପରେ ଆମର ଟ୍ୟାକଲ୍ କରିପାରିବା। ଯେଉଁ ମାଲ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିସନ୍ର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ରହିଛି ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଟ୍ୟାକଲ୍ କରାଯାଇପାରିବ ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷରେ। ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି କମ୍ବାଟ୍ ମାଲ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିସନ୍ ଇନ୍ women children. So this is the thing that Central want to continue till 2028. It's a great initiative and news. So next is deciphering protein using AI. So how AI is used to deciphering the proteins. So 3 recipients of this year chemistry Nobel Prize मिली जहाँ को जड़े होती डेविड बैकर 62 years of age and Demis Hassabis 48 years of age. She is the CEO of Google DeepMind and PhD. He is the CEO from Google DeepMind and PhD from University Degree of London. Then John Jumper, जे कि सीनियर रिसर्च साइंटिस्ट गूगल DeepMind से विषय में गूगल रखिले. प्रोफेसर ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ वाशिंगटन, PhD ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया. तो डेविड बैकर, डेमिस हासाबिस and John M. Jumper. So what is the significance? So this year both chemistry and physics prize जो Nobel मिली ताहा related to AI. That will also I cover that physics related Nobel Prize मिली. So that is related to machine learning and deep learning thing. So chemistry जो प्राइज मिली प्रोटीन डिसाइफर कर यूजिंग AI. प्रोटीन कौन? प्रोटीन होची मेड ऑफ लॉन्ग चेन ऑफ अमीनो एसिड. सो अमीनो एसिड रे हमर प्रोटीन होची हमर 20 अमीनो एसिड रही 20टा अमीनो एसिड रही. सो ये जो सीक्वेंस अमीनो एसिड रो सीक्वेंस था which determine the structure of protein. So amino acid sequence determine the structure of protein and that structure determine the function of the protein, what kind of functionality it will do. So AlphaFold नाम गोटे AI tool से मैंने यूज करते that predict the structure of protein using known sequence of amino acid. So there is a known sequence of amino acid in the form of database. So they use the data and computation. So they have used this data and computation to build this tool. So this year physics and chemistry Nobel Prize this year given to artificial intelligence related research. Okay, so the AI powered breakthroughs in the structure of protein have been creating the last like research and community रे Nobel Prize recognition मिली ये वर्ष. So what is the significance behind this, like the deciphering the protein using AI? So significant will be, so theoretically what example there is an example, synthetic protein can be designed to degrade plastic. So imagine we found the details like how we can degrade the plastic using the protein sequence. So otherwise it's not a biodegradable. हजार lakh वर्ष लगे biodegradable human plastic. So if we found that the thing, if there is any combination that we can degrade these plastics usually. Okay, so that is the theoretical example. And protein molecules can be allowed to undergo mutation until they acquire the desired characteristic. Okay, so mutation भी करी कि ताको desired characteristic achieve करा जाई परिबो. So its implication also in the drug discovery then. Okay, so coming stubborn disease that occur due to protein disorder. So protein disorder पाई भी जो disease होची ताको मते tackle करा जाय. So it's a huge achievement. Okay, so next article about the change in stance. So recently monetary policy committee हमरो जो रही RBI रो monetary policy committee से 6 member committee था जो कि RBI रो चेयरमैन था कि शक्तिकांत दास एवं अच्छा. सो 5:1 रेशियो रे वोट कराला जोटा कि इंटरेस्ट रेट रो स्टेटस को मीन्स सेम रहिबो जोटा कि 6.5% ही रहिबार डिसीजन निया जाय. ओके, सो देखा कि यूरोपियन सेंट्रल बैंक एंड इंग्लैंड एंड यूएस फेडरल बैंक जो कि रेट कट्स होती बट एक्सपेक्टेशन भी थिला कि आम रेट कट बट आरबीआई सेम स्टैंड्स रखी. ओके, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी हेल्दी ऑन द बैकग्राउंड ऑन मॉनसून. सो एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन भी हेल्दी रही वर्ष. तो रबी सीजन भी हबार भल सीजन भल चांसेस अच्छी. सो साइजेबल बफर स्टॉक भी रही है. फूड ग्रेन स्टॉक बहुत अच्छी. तो अनएक्सपेक्टेड वेदर इवेंट्स वर्सनिंग द जियो पॉलिटिकल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट यहाँ टेंशन रही कि अनएक्सपेक्टेड जो इवेंट्स वेदर इवेंट्स हो फ्लड्स हो कि ड्रॉट लाइक कंडीशन रही कि क्रॉप फेल्युअर हो. तो से सिचुएशन रे आउ जियो पॉलिटिकल टेंशन जो क्रूड ऑयल प्राइस जदि इंक्रीज हम सेटा भी आमर इन्फ्लेशन हम. ओके, इन्फ्लेशन मत हम. सेंट्रल बैंक हैज प्रोजेक्टेड द इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ रेट 7.2% दिस ईयर प्रेडिक्ट करिछि एंड आईसीआरए प्रेडिक्ट करछि 7%. क्रिसिल ग्रोथ रेट एक्सपेक्ट करछि 6.8%. जो आरबीआई जो रेट रे बैंक को मनी देता है सेटा रेपो रेट हुआ जाए. इफ द रेपो रेट इज इंक्रीज्ड देन तो बैंक सप्लाई करिबो मनी का पीपल. सो द इंटरेस्ट रेट आल्सो इंक्रीज. सो हाउ आरबीआई इज मैनेजिंग इन्फ्लेशन. So if inflation is increased, so money supply need to be decreased. So that's where RBI works like it will increase the repo rate. So interest rate increase होगा, then people less loan नेबे. So people को money supply will decrease. So it will tackle the inflation. So reverse is the case whenever they want to infuse like money into the market, then repo rate decrease करिवो, then interest rate भी decrease हेले money supply increase हो. Another is their bonds are there. So market through if RBI purchase bonds then money supply decrease होगा. यदि RBI bonds को money supply increase होगा. RBI purchase कर ले money flow होगा तो money supply increase होगा. यदि RBI bonds को आरबीआई जदि बॉन्ड्स को परचेज करला तो मनी सप्लाई मार्केट को ये कर. आरबीआई बॉन्ड्स मार्केट रे इन्फ्यूज कला तो से मनी सप्लाई कट ऑफ हो, मनी सप्लाई डिक्रीज हो. सो दिस इज हाउ आरबीआई टैकलिंग द इन्फ्लेशन. ओके, RBI purchasing the bond, then that's why the money is infusing into the market. So when RBI is giving the bonds to the market, okay, while infusing, then money supply decrease. Science in the machine. So the similar article, Nobel Prize in Physics. It is talking about the Nobel Prize in Physics. Not similar article. That one is the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. So Nobel Prize in Physics given to Sean Hopfield and Geoffrey E. Hilton. Okay. So Nobel Prize in Physics acknowledged AI enabling disruptive possibilities. So pioneers of artificial intelligence, which drives these services, is recognition of machine learning links. Discipline in the realms are as diverse processing data, particle physics, and surveying the universe. Okay, so Nobel Committee has shown an inclination to the beyond tradition. In 2021 prize is going to three climatologists at the first time. Okay, so 2021 ର ପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ମିଳିଥିଲା ଫିଜିକ୍ସ କ୍ଲାଇମେଟୋଲୋଜି। ସୋ 2000 ଯେଉଁ ଏଇଥର ପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ମିଳିଛି ମାନେ ସବୁ ବିଲଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ଫିଲ୍ଡରୁ ବିଲଙ୍ଗସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। So Hopfield begins his career in classical physics. Solid matters works as neuron in human brain could be model for machines. So human brain ର ନ୍ୟୁରନ୍ କୁ କେମିତି ମେସିନ୍ର ମଡ଼େଲରେ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିବେ ସେ ହିସାବରେ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରୁଥିଲେ। Hilton was also background in cognitive psychology and computer science. Okay, both pioneers have questions about the Frankenstein effect technology, artificial networks exceeding human neurons. ଯଦି artificial neurons exceed କରିଦେବ human neurons କୁ, humanର ଯେଉଁ ability ଅଛି, ଯେମିତି ଯେଉଁ ଇମୋସନ୍ ରହିଛି, ଯେଉଁ ଥିଙ୍କିଂ capabilities ରହିଛି, imagination ରହିଛି, okay, so it will be ethical issues of if they are not ethically managed. So technology and ethics to work in. So it will be very much great that the technology and ethics to work in sync. So we see the similar article similar to the 5. So repo rate I already told you the 6.5%. So neutral position ରହିଛି। Okay, so RBI ର ଇନଫ୍ଲେସନ୍ କୁ କେମିତି ଟ୍ୟାକଲ୍ କରେ, ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଇନଫ୍ଲେସନ୍ ରେଟ୍ ରହିଛି ତାକୁ 4% ରହିବ। ତ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ -2% ର ସେ ଯାଇପାରିବ, ଯେମିତିକି 2 ଯାଇପାରିବ, ଦେନ୍ 6 ଯାଇପାରିବ। 4 is the ideal situation. Then currently 0.525 basis point increase ହେଇଥିଲା। Okay, so after that means after 10 times it's seeing they are following the neutral stance. Okay, लास्ट चेंज ହେଇଥିଲା ଫେବୃଆରୀ 2023 ରେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଥିଲା, ଯେଉଁଟାକି 2.5 ବେସିସ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଇନକ୍ରିଜ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା, ଯେଉଁଟାକି 6.5 ହେଇଛି। ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ରେଟ୍ ଏବେ ବି ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରାଲ୍ରେ ଅଛି। So next article is related to the mental health in India's material world. So material वर्ल्ड उपरे आम एत टिल्टेड होती कि मेंटल हेल्थ आम को इग्नोर कर। सो मेटेरियल वर्ल्ड आफ्टर कैपिटलिज्म जो LPG रिफॉर्म्स होगा, ग्लोबलाइजेशन, प्राइवेटाइजेशन, इन्फ्लेशन, लिबरलाइजेशन है। ओके, सो ओपन मार्केट हो गला कैपिटलिस्ट माइंडसेट आमर हो गला। सो फॉर एग्जांपल कि लग्जरी आइटम्स एंड प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक बेसी टिल्टेड रहते गुड हाउस प्रॉपर्टी। सो ये आम भावुँ कि दिज आर द अचीवमेंट, बट रियल अचीवमेंट इज द मेंटल पीस। इफ यू हैव crores of money but you don't have anyone to celebrate with, or you are lonely, you are feeling loneliness, and your work life balance is not there, so it will greatly affect your mental health. So recently also there was news that some organization that there is So 38 years old software engineer at Chennai based team. Okay. So 26-year woman also multinational consulting company. So due to immense workload pressure. So today is October 10, World Mental Health Day. So we have much discussion about this, like prioritizing the mental health in workplace. The critical link between mental health and work is examined in these articles. Okay, so why we need to discuss this mental health and work pressures. Okay, so it leads to depression, and so there is a to pressure like societal pressure and personal expectation. So we are like expectation that we have to achieve this kind of thing and that kind of thing, so it leads to huge expectation like personal expectation. If we failed with this expectation, okay, then there is self guilt. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଗିଫ୍ଟ ନା ବଢ଼ି ବଢ଼ି ଯିବ, ତୁମେ ଫିଲ୍ କରିବ କି ତୁମେ ବହୁତ ଡିପ୍ରେସନ୍ ଫିଲ୍ କରିବ, ଡିପ୍ରେସ୍ ଫିଲ୍ କରିବ, ଆଉ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଲିଡ୍ ଟୁ ଲାଇକ୍ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ୍ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଇସ୍ୟୁ। ସୁଇସାଇଡ଼ ରେଟ୍ ବି ଆମର ଇନକ୍ରିଜ୍ କରୁଛି ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ଆଫ୍ଟର COVID-19। ଓକେ, ସୋ ଦେର୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ନୋ କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଏଙ୍ଗେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ୍ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ରେ ସବୁ ହେଲା, ତ ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ସନ୍ ବି ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ଟୁ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ହେଇପାରିଲାନି। ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ସୋସିଆଲ୍ ଏନିମଲ୍। ସୋ ସୋସାଇଟିରେ ତାକୁ ରହିକି କାମ କରିବାର ଅଛି, ଆଉ ସୋସାଇଟିର ତାକୁ ଏଙ୍ଗେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବାର ଅଛି, କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଏଙ୍ଗେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବାର ଅଛି। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ବି ଦେଖାଯାଇଛି, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ବିଜନେସ୍ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ରେ ସବୁ କରିଲେ, ତ ୱାର୍କ ଆୱାର୍ସ ଯେଉଁ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ସିଫ୍ଟ ରହିଛି ସେଇଟା ବି ଇନକ୍ରିଜ୍ ହେଇ ଚାଲିଲା। ସୋ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ୍ ଅଛ ଅନଲାଇନ୍, ତ ଏଇ କାମଟା କରିଦିଅ। ସୋ there was no certain guidelines related to how much we do our efforts, like also beyond our working hours we are doing that efforts. Okay, so witnessing a surge in mental health disorder like okay, mental health disorder, the Lancet Psychiatry Commission 197 million suffer from condition of depression, anxiety and substance use drugs use କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆମେ ଏନ୍ଜାଇଟି ଡିପ୍ରେସନ୍ ଆସିଲା ମାନେ ତୁମେ ଚାହିଁବ କି କେମିତି ସେ ଭିତରୁ କଟ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ହେଇକି କେଉଁ ଅଲଗା ଜାଗାକୁ ପଳେଇବୁ, କଟ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ହେଇକି। ସୋ ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ଇଏ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, କି ସ୍ମୋକିଂ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଦେଉଛି, କି ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କିଂ, ଡ୍ରଗ୍ସ ନେବା, ତ ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ହେଉଛି। ସୋ ରିଲେଣ୍ଟଲେସ୍ ପ୍ରେସର୍ ଇନ୍ ଅର୍ବାନ୍ ଲିଭିଂ, ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟାବିଲିଟି, ମୋତେ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟାବିଲିଟି ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରେଟର୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲିଜିମ୍ ୱାର୍ଲଡରେ, କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଭ୍ରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ମେଜର୍ଡ ଇନ୍ ଟର୍ମସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମନି, ହାଉ ମଚ୍ ମନି ୟୁ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍, ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ଏନି ମନି ଦେନ୍ the thing is like you don't have you're not able to survive in this world. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, while material wealth provides temporary comfort, okay, it fails to meet deeper emotion and psychological needs. So materialism actually କୁହାହେଉଛି କି ମାନେ materialism କ୍ଷଣସ୍ଥାୟୀ ହେଲା, ସର୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ସ୍ପାନ୍। ସୋ ଆଜି ଗୋଟେ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖିଲି, ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଲା ତ ତାକୁ ବାଇ କରିଦେଲି। ସୋ ଯେପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୋ ହାତକୁ ଆସିନି, ଇନ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡକୁ ଆସିନି, ସୋ I am checking that website times to time, so that until I receive that product. So after that product ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଉଛି ତାକୁ କିଛି ଦିନ ୟୁଜ୍ କଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ଫିଲ୍ ହେଉଛି, ଗିଲ୍ଟ ଫିଲ୍ ହେଉଛି କି ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଡ଼କ୍ଟ କିଣିଲି। ତ ସେଇଟା କିଛି ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ସେ ସାଟିସ୍ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସନ୍ ରହୁଛି, ବଟ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଇନର୍ ସାଟିସ୍ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସନ୍ ହେବ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ନଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ମେଟେରିଆଲିଜିମ୍। ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଥିଙ୍ଗ। The Ernst Becker ଜଣେ ଥିଙ୍କର ଥିଲେ, she noted much human behavior in driven by fear of impermanence and insignificant. People chase material wealth for social validation. So they social validation question, so that's why they are chasing for this materialistic world. So hoping it will bring lasting happiness. So it will not provide that lasting happiness, because we have to self assess what we actually needed in the inner self, what we actually needed, what ମାନେ କେଉଁ କାମ କଲେ ଆମକୁ ଇନର୍ ପିସ୍ ମିଳିପାରିବ. ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ଦ ରିଅଲ୍ ହାପିନେସ୍. ସୋ ଇଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ଲିଡ୍ ଟୁ ସାଇକେଲ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଡିସାଟିସ୍ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସନ୍ ଯଦି ଆମ ସେଇଟା ଫୁଲଫିଲ୍ ନହେଲା. ସୋ ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ ପ୍ରାୟୋରିଟି, ୱେଲ୍ଥ କନଜମ୍ପସନ୍ ଇକ୍ୱେଟ୍ ଟୁ ହାପିନେସ୍ ମାଇଣ୍ଡସେଟ୍ ବି ସେମିତି ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆମର ସୋସାଇଟିରେ. କଲେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ଆକ୍ସନ୍, ସୋ ଆମେ କେମିତି ତାକୁ ଟ୍ୟାକେଲ୍ କରିପାରିବା. କଲେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଆଜ୍ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍. ସୋ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ୍ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ଟୁ କଲେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ୱେଲବିଙ୍ଗ. ସୋ ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ୍ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ଉପରେ ବେଶୀ ଫୋକସ୍ ନ କରିକି କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ଉପରେ ବେଶୀ ଫୋକସ୍ କରିବା. ତ ସେଇଟା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମିନିଙ୍ଗଫୁଲ୍ ୱାର୍କ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ କ୍ରିଟିକାଲ୍ ଟୁ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ୍ ହେଲ୍ଥ. ସୋ ଏମିତି କାମ କରିବା ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆମ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ୍ ହେଲ୍ଥକୁ ଠିକ୍ ରଖିବ. ହାଉଏଭର୍ ୱାର୍କ ଲାଇଫ୍ ବାଲାନ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲିଗାଲ୍ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ୍ ଆର୍ ଇନକ୍ରିଜିଂଲି ଅଣ୍ଡର୍ ଥ୍ରେଟ୍. ସୋ ୱାର୍କ ଲାଇଫ୍ ବାଲାନ୍ସ ଆମକୁ ରଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. ଓକେ, strive the consummerating work hours. Strive for a consummerating good life. The proposal such as extended work hour, the Karnataka amendment bill କରିକି work hour extend କରାଯାଇଛି. So it's like rapid urbanization ପାଇଁ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ହେଉଛି. So this is that article is talking about that we need the collective action and community engagement as a solution. Okay, so we have to come out from this trapping of the cycle of dissatisfaction. So we need to find the real peace. Okay, so personal freedom and perspective prioritize the material wealth over deeper values such as equality and fraternity. ଉପରେ ଆମେ ବେଶୀ ଫୋକସ୍ କରିବା. fraternity, ଭାଇଚାରା, equality. You have to see, think everyone is equal and with respect, we treat with everyone with dignity. So like you see that how our Ratan Tata sir is a great human. So he had the integrity, so that's making him different, like everyone loves him. So we have to build our personality like that. We have to achieve Ratan Tata's life, like Ratan Tata sir's life. Like we have, if you achieve the 1% of his life things, okay, life journey. So we'll think we don't need any materialistic thing to enjoy our life. Okay. So next article is talking about the ASEAN and India summit. So it's a 19 ASEAN and ASEAN summit, ASEAN and India summit. So ASEAN. Okay. Association of Southeast Asian nations. So what are those Southeast Asian nations? So those are the Indonesia, Thailand, Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, Philippines, Brunei, Indonesia. There is shortcut to remember these things. Okay. TB, flip, MBBS. Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Indonesia, Philippines, Myanmar. Okay. P, it's M for M for Malaysia. Okay. This B for Myanmar, that is called Burma. Earlier it was called Burma. So in that way we will remember that Burma or Myanmar. B stands for Brunei, S for Singapore. Okay. That's why able to remember. So it was founded in 8 August 1967, Bangkok Declaration जो हुआ Thailand है. So the principle is non-interference in international affairs of member state, consensual decision making and maintaining certainty in regional matters. So key challenges, there is geopolitical pressure that balancing influence between China and US. Okay. South China Sea disruption, which is inability to provide coordinated response to China's territorial claim. So Myanmar crisis जो रही है सेटा मध्य देखा जाऊँ जो military rule charge Myanmar. So economic ties, which China is the largest trading partner, which US providing strategic support. So US China भी influence रही. तो इंडिया और एशियन हिस्ट्री इंपोर्टेंस कहीं एशियन नेशन जो रही जो इंडिया आक्ट इज पॉलिसी इंडो पैसिफिक विजन इंपोर्टेंस रही तार कोऑर्डिनेशन सपोर्ट एम्फासिस ऑन पब्लिक पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमिकल एंड सिक्योरिटी कोऑपरेशन रही. तो हिस्टोरिकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट मध्य आक्ट इज पॉलिसी जो थिला इंडिया began its act its policy announced in 2014. Okay. So ଜିନିଷ ରହିଛି. So act its policy and Indo-Pacific vision जोटा कि importance रही. So से external affairs minister announced the PM to take visit to ASEAN. So about ASEAN is a regional grouping that promotes economic, political and security cooperation. 1967 ରେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କକ୍ ଡିକ୍ଲାରେସନ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା 10 ଏସିଆନ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ଯେଉଁଠି 650 million people with GDP of 2.8 trillion. Okay. Economic cooperation, defense cooperation, connectivity and socio-cultural cooperation ମଧ୍ୟ ରହିଛି ଯେଉଁଟାକି 30 years ହେଇଯାଇଛି 19 commemorating 30 years of Indian Eastern Dialogue. Okay, that is the news. The last article is about the new sedimentary rock that is found, the carbon trapping champ. So with lithified slag breakdown, it store greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and process called mineral carbonation. This process mimic the natural weathering. So understand how slag under lithification is crucial. Slag under lithification is crucial. So we eventually maximize the carbon capture potential. So ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମର climate change को देखा जाଉଛି so climate change बेसी रिलेटिव भूमिका रही जोटा कि ग्रीन हाउस gases. So one thing to tackle this, that we have to capture this excessive some amount of greenhouse gas which benefits to us some amount of greenhouse gas that our temperature regulate habo earth but excessive greenhouse gases we need to tackle that, how to overcome these greenhouse gases. So that's why we are going towards the electric vehicles, the ethanol blending question ଯେମିତି କି vehicle emission को reduce କରିବା ପାଇଁ. So we are going towards green energy, so nuclear energy, wind energy. So we are going towards this. So it's a great thing that we can capture the carbon. So there is also one mechanism where we are capturing this carbon in the sea basement. So that is also carbon capturing. That is called carbon capturing in the deep sea. Okay, deep sea level. So this thing is there. So we are already in the Anthropocene era. So where human made climate change is the real thing actually. So climate change is happening like how we like from ice age to this age, like we are evolved from this age. So climate change is happening, but human activity actually hastening this climate change, fast कर दूँचे climate change को. So industrial waste and construction debris, materials like industrial waste and construction debris mix with natural sediment and affect the environment by changing the acidity of the soil and water. So sediment रे affect केମିତି କରୁଛି ଯେମିତି कि mix ହେଇକି जो debris industrial waste आସୁଛି जोटा soil को acidity କରୁଛି. Okay. So first we need to know what is lithification. Lithification is a process where sediments turns into rock. Sediment means that solid You can see these wastes from the different industrial waste. So how it's get to compaction, then cementation, deposition, then compaction, then cementation, then it will lithification. In that process also carbon got captured in gas process. Okay. So slag slag is a glass like byproduct that left over the desired metal has been separated, smelted. Smelting process रे हमर जो रही smelting process रे जोटा कि slag usually mixture of metal oxide and silicon dioxide. Metal oxide and silicon dioxide. However, slag can contain metal sulfide and elements metal. Lithification is a process of converting sediment into solid rock that I already discussed. So compaction is the past step, then compaction, then deposition, then compaction, then sedimentation. Deposit first over, then compact over, then sedimentation. Sedimentary rock plus this slag, it is called chemically stable glucose. Slag is chemically stable and has the ability to neutralize acidity. When lithification slag breakdown, it stored greenhouse gas like carbon through a process called mineral carbonation. Okay. This process mimics natural weathering. So natural weathering को mimic करूची एटा. Understanding how slag undergoes lithification is crucial. Understanding how the deposit will behave over time, so that we may eventually also maximize the carbon capture potential. Okay. So केमिति lithification crucial है पर carbon capture, so we have to know the process. Okay. Understand करियो जे slag undergoes lithification is crucial understanding. Yes. Slag is a major component of artificial ground and it is a composite material containing metal oxide, silicon dioxide and byproduct of steel making process in iron and steel industry. Okay. Previous studies shown that the carbonate can form during the lithification process. Carbonate form the minerals contains carbonate ion CO3 2- that is called carbonate ion and contribute to hardening the process. Hardening process continue karibo. In the context of slag, the researchers found a carbonate called silicate from the calcium carbonate is also present in chalk. Okay. To identify the quantity of calcite in the slag sample, the researcher used one method called thermogravimetric analysis. Okay. This method, the sample is heated to see how much weight is lost and revealing the quantity of carbonate present. Slag sample composition केमती identify करछंती जोटा technique use करछंती जोटा X-ray to identify various types of minerals in the sample by studying how minerals scatter the radiation. Okay. So isotope 13 गोटा रही जोटा कि आइसोटोप क्या कहछन आइसोटोप इज जोटा कि तार एटॉमिक एटम रे सेम प्रोटॉन थिबो सेम प्रोटॉन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन बट डिफरेंट न्यूट्रॉन. ओके. सो एटम के इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन सो सेम प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन बट न्यूट्रॉन रो संख्या सेम थियो. दिस आर द आइसोटोप. Carbon 13 that is isotope crucial to understanding carbonate reaction and carbon dioxide dynamics in the environment. Researchers then find out to that lithification mechanism in the slag deposit. Okay. precipitation dominate the top surface of the slag and the sea facing side. Slag dissolve to release calcium, which react with atmospheric carbon dioxide to form calcite. You can see the piece of slag of glazing process formed sometimes between 1802 and 1450 BC in the Lower Egypt. Okay, so this is really helpful for the carbon trapping mechanism. Okay, so these are the topics today. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.